Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine waking up with your hair feeling like it's just been treated to a spa day, but with zero hassle. If you've been struggling with product buildup, residue, or just dry, lackluster locks, this review might be the game changer you've been waiting for. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss one of our honest, in-depth reviews. Let's get into it. Today, I'm reviewing the L'Oréal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Plus Pure Shampoo and Conditioner Set. This duo promises to purify and rehydrate your hair with the help of two powerful ingredients, Salicylic Acid and Hyaluronic Acid. It's designed to tackle product residue, leaving your scalp refreshed and your lengths hydrated for up to 72 hours. Sounds promising, right? Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. The Elvive Hyaluron's Pure Shampoo is a clarifying shampoo that uses salicylic acid to gently exfoliate and cleanse the scalp, removing up to 100% of product buildup. It claims to leave your scalp feeling invigorated while providing a fresh, clean base. The companion Rehydrating Conditioner, on the other hand, infuses hyaluronic acid into the hair to restore moisture and keep your strands soft, smooth, and hydrated. Together, they create a purifying and rehydrating routine that promises to work wonders, especially for those who struggle with scalp buildup and dry hair. Now let's talk about how these products performed in real life. I incorporated both the shampoo and conditioner into my regular wash routine, and I have to say, the experience was surprisingly pleasant. The shampoo lathers beautifully and feels gentle on the scalp. There's no stripping or harsh sensation, which I loved. Some clarifying shampoos can leave your hair feeling like straw, but this one didn't do that. My scalp definitely felt fresher after use, and I could tell the buildup from hair products was gone. Moving on to the conditioner, it has a creamy texture that felt incredibly hydrating. It worked through my hair smoothly, and after rinsing, my strands felt soft but not weighed down. The real test for me was the next day. Was my hair still soft, or did it dry out after the moisture wore off? The answer? It stayed hydrated and manageable, which was impressive. I didn't notice any excessive frizz or dryness after styling. On to the pros and cons. Let's start with the positives. First, this shampoo and conditioner set delivers on its promise to clarify without being overly drying, which is a huge win for anyone with a sensitive scalp. The scent is also really lovely. It's a blend of bright berries, cherry blossom, sweet vanilla, and sandalwood. It's subtle but fresh, and the fragrance lingers just enough to make your hair smell great all day. However, there are a couple of cons to consider. While the shampoo does a fantastic job of clarifying, it might be a bit much for those with ultra-sensitive scalps or very dry hair, especially if you're already using a lot of other clarifying products. Also, while the conditioner hydrates well, if you have extremely dry or textured hair, you may need to pair it with a more heavy-duty leave-in conditioner for full hydration. When it comes to value for money, this set sits in the mid-range, and in my opinion, it's worth the investment if you're looking for a routine that's both purifying and hydrating. The price point is justifiable given the quality of the ingredients, and considering the long-lasting hydration I experienced, I'd say it's a good buy. In terms of alternatives, there are definitely cheaper options out there, especially if you're just looking for a clarifying shampoo. But if you want something that clarifies and hydrates without causing any dryness, this set is a solid choice. You might also want to check out brands like OGX or Neutrogena for more budget-friendly alternatives that offer similar results, though you may not get the same 72-hour hydration. As for the build quality, both the shampoo and conditioner come in standard L'Oréal packaging. The bottles are sturdy, and I appreciate that they're not too bulky, so they fit easily in the shower. There's no excess waste with the pump, and I feel like I'm getting a fair amount of product with each use. Overall, I was really impressed with the L'Oréal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Plus Pure Shampoo and Conditioner Set. It's a solid product that works well for anyone needing to clarify their scalp and add moisture back into their hair. My hair felt refreshed, soft, and hydrated without being weighed down, which is something I really appreciated. If you've tried this set, drop a comment below and let me know what your experience has been like. If you haven't, and this sounds like a product you need in your routine, check out the link in the description or comments. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.